If you're over 50 and your workouts aren't giving you the results that you used to get, well, in this video on the Rebounder, we're using a weighted vest, and it might just be that missing piece. Join me today. Let's go. Good posture. Engage that core. Relax the shoulders. They're down and back. Soften those knees. All right, let's just start with a health bounce. We are doing grounded moves today. No jumping. Push down on the mat with their whole body. We're adding resistance by using the weighted vest. This is low impact, beginner friendly. We're boosting some calories today. Strengthen our muscles. Use the whole body weight by pushing down. All right. Keep it going. Work on a little balance and coordination. So many benefits to the weighted vest. If you need help choosing a weighted vest, I can help with that. But I do suggest that you get a weighted vest that's 5 to 10% of your body weight to avoid strain. You don't want to go too heavy. Now let's do some left and right heel lifts, getting the lymphatic system drained. All right, let's go. Keep it going, keep it going. You got this. Just warming up. Let's bring your arms up. Anytime you use your arms over your head, you're working the cardiovascular system. Your heart rate is going to go up. All right, now let's just do step side to side, step touch. Weighted vest also helps with bone density. We want to avoid any osteoporosis, right? Us ladies over 50. Again, this is low impact. Working on good core strength. That's why we want to tighten that core. Like somebody hits you in the stomach, you're bracing that core. I learned that from Michelle Breeler. Excellent instructor, probably one of the best. Now we're going to walk. If you feel any pressure on your back, probably means you need to work on your core muscles. All right, move your arms now. Getting our steps in too. Come on, keep it going. We have about 4 more steps. You can do this without a weighted vest. If you don't have it, that's okay. Or you don't even have to get one if you don't want. Just use some light weights in your hand. All right. Ready for the next one? All right. Try to get some breeches that fit. Won't stop falling down. All right. Next, we're going to do a heel, toe. Heel, toe. Like I said, you're working on balance and coordination. Soften the knee. This one, soften that knee. Stand up straight. All right, switch to the other side. Switch again. Ready? And switch. Now we're going to do a push out like this. Pushing down on the mat using the whole foot. Now use your arms. And we're going to switch to the other side. All right, shake it out a minute. Ready for some squats? A little bit further than shoulder width apart. You're gonna push your hips back, sit back. As you come up, tighten the glutes. All right, let's go. Body weight squats. And don't forget to breathe. We are working on strength, toning, burning lots of calories today. All right. Come on, women over 50, women over 60, 70, you got this. About 20 of those. All right, let's shake it out. Heels to the front. And add a little bit of a bounce, but not off the mat. Heels. We're gonna go to the front, and then next we'll go to the corners. Corners. Add your personality in there. And back to the front. Good. All right. Back to health bounce. It got through very, very quick, right? I hope you enjoyed this little rebounder workout with the weighted vest. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I can get back with you. I will also put a link to the weighted vest that I got from Amazon. And I'll see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. All right, check out the playlist also. See you next time. Bye.